Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by revealing what's hidden. Turn on the show/hide marker so you can see spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks. Once done, scan the document to identify whether the long gaps are multiple spaces, tabs, or large indents. Make sure to place the cursor where the long space is and note the visible symbols. This tells you which removal method to use. If you see multiple dots, those are spaces. Arrows mean tabs. A pilcrow is a paragraph break, so act accordingly. You now run targeted replacements. Press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace and enter 2 spaces in Find and 1 space in Replace, then replace all until no matches remain. Once done, handle tabs by typing T in Find and a single space in Replace, then run Replace All. This collapses tabbed gaps. For extra paragraph breaks, find PP and replace with P to merge blank lines. Make sure to preview changes. To avoid accidental merges, you finish by checking paragraph formatting. Open the paragraph dialog to verify special indents, spacing before /after, and line spacing. Adjust values to eliminate remaining wide gaps. If text still shifts, apply clear formatting or switch to the normal style to remove style-based spacing. Once complete, scroll through the document to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, immediately use Undo, inspect the applied style settings, or restore from a backup. That troubleshooting step prevents permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.